Welcome to Factus. Today we are taking a deep dive into the DJI FPV-2. This drone is built for those who love the thrill of first-person flying, but also want high-quality video performance. Whether you are into racing through tight spaces or capturing breathtaking cinematic shots, this drone has been designed to give you the best experience possible. It comes with a powerful new camera system, faster speeds, and improved stability so you can fly with confidence. One of the biggest upgrades is the improved battery life, which means more time in the air and less time charging. DJI has also upgraded the goggles and controllers to give you a more immersive and responsive flight experience. This makes it perfect for both beginners and professionals looking for precision and ease of control. So is the DJI FPV-2 the best FPV drone available right now? Stick around as we break it all down. The DJI FPV-2 keeps the same aggressive and aerodynamic design, but improves durability. It has a tougher frame that can handle small crashes better and a new cooling system that helps it perform longer without overheating. The redesigned propeller guards add extra protection without making the drone too heavy, and the built-in LED lighting makes it more visible in different lighting conditions. This means whether you are flying in bright sunlight or low light, you will always have better control and visibility. The biggest upgrade is the camera. It features a 1/1.3-inch sensor that captures stunning 4K video at 120 frames per second. This allows for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage, which is perfect for both action shots and cinematic sequences. The camera now supports HDR recording, so you get better colors and details in both bright and dark areas. The f2.0 aperture helps in low-light situations, as making it easier to capture clear and sharp footage. Even when the lighting isn't perfect, DJI has also improved the stabilization with Rocksteady 3.0, so your footage remains steady. Even during fast movement, speed and flight control have also been upgraded. The DJI FPV-2 can now reach speeds of up to 90 miles per hour in manual mode, which is perfect for high-speed chases and racing. It features 3 different flight modes, normal, sport, and manual, allowing both beginners and experienced pilots to get the best flying experience. The drone's advanced propulsion system improves responsiveness and stability, so you get more precise movements. Whether you are performing sharp turns or capturing smooth aerial shots, battery life has also seen a major improvement. The drone can now fly for up to 25 minutes on a full charge, which is a significant upgrade from the previous version. And with fast charging support, you can get back in the air quickly without long waiting times. DJI has also optimized the battery's heat management system, so you don't have to worry about overheating during long flights. The DJI FPV-2 is compatible with the new DJI Goggles 3, which feature a sharper display and ultra-low latency, so everything looks clearer and responds instantly. It also supports the DJI Motion Controller 2, which lets you fly the drone using simple hand movements. If you prefer traditional controls, the DJI FPV Controller 3 gives you better accuracy and a more professional experience. These accessories make flying more immersive and enjoyable overall. The DJI FPV-2 is a big step forward in FPV drone technology. It combines high-speed performance with an upgraded camera system and better battery life. Its improved flight stability and new accessories make it one of the best options for both casual users and professionals looking for top-quality performance. Whether you are into racing or making cinematic content, this drone delivers an incredible experience every time. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and let us know your thoughts in the comments. We always love hearing from you and your experiences with new tech. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and comparisons. We bring you the best and most detailed breakdowns of the latest gadgets so you always know what's worth buying. The DJI FPV-2 is one of the most exciting drones we've seen this year. It brings speed, stability, and high-quality video together in a way that makes flying more fun than ever. Whether you are a beginner looking to get started or a pro searching for the best performance, this drone has something for everyone. We'll be covering more drone reviews soon, so stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.